Hi everyone, this is Mohit back with another video. This is basically my Oneplus 3T with concrete skin, D-brand skin. It's a really nice skin to put on. So today I'll be showing you some of the features and why, after testing so many ROMs, I like only the Resurrection Remix ROM. So starting with the fingerprint speed. So starting with the fingerprint speed, it's not as fast as Oxygen OS, and no other ROM is as fast as Oxygen OS to recognize and unlock. So I'll just show you the fingerprint speed on OnePlus 3T Resurrection Remix ROM. It's not that fast, but it's not that slow either. So it's very convenient. So I've installed a Pixel Experience ROM, not the ROM, Pixel Experience launcher on my OnePlus 3T with the Magisk installer. So what the first thing I like about this ROM is its color accuracy. The color accuracy on this ROM is very good. I've tried Lineage OS, I've tried Nitrogen OS, I've tried Unleash OS, uh, but this ROM has the best color accuracy and looks very rich in color gamut. Okay, so this is how the Pixel launcher looks, Pixel 2 launcher. So I'll just walk you through the UI. This is Android 8.1. So to confirm it to you, this is at Android 8.1 audio. I've used the dark theme which suits to the AMOLED panel, but I don't think it does any work of battery saving. Still, I like this, so I use it. So just to start with, this is the settings menu, how it looks. Network and internet connected device. This is the configuration by Resurrection Remix. Apps and notification, battery, display, sound, storage, security. It's all the same like 8.1 device. Just to walk you through the configurations, which is the utmost important thing about this ROM, and it's packed. This ROM is packed with features, and the good thing is these features, even if you start, even if you don't use it, it does not slow the device at all. So the transition is as smooth as Oxygen OS. Only the fingerprint sensor speed is slow, otherwise everything is good. I'll share you a speed test on this ROM as well. So it has customizations of status bar, panels, quick settings, tiles, recents, interface, lock screen, buttons, navigation, animation, gestures, miscellaneous, and everything. So just to start with status bar, what customizations you get is the clock and date, where you want to put it, how you want to put it, network traffic, notification ticker, battery. You can customize the style, color, everything. I like to keep it stock. Status bar, weather, brand logo. This is a good thing where you can enable the brand logo uh, on your device in the status bar, either on the left or the right. So I have enabled custom logos, in which I have picked Resurrection No Ring. You have tons of other custom logo if you want. So I have put it to the right side. It will always stay there. System icons. You can choose to whether to display VoLTE icon, show 4G and instead of LTE. You can just tweak your status bar, and believe me, there are lots of customizations in this ROM available. For panels, so you can customize various elements on the notification panel if you want. I haven't used it yet. You can customize your volume panel. You can customize the power menu, where you can increase or reduce the opacity of the power menu. This is the Okay, I've reduced the opacity, so increasing it to 100%. This is how the power menu looks like. You can add more things to the power menu. I haven't tested anything as of yet, so you can change the look of your notification panel. So I've changed some settings. When you open notification panel, everything on the background goes blur, which I like. This is the quick settings adjustments you can make. You can change your quick pull down, make it a smart pull down. If you just instead of pulling it twice, you can just pull it once. I'll just show you. This is a quick pull down. Just in one pull, you can pull the notification panel down. You can change your tile layout. I like to keep everything stock. You can increase the tiles up to n number in single view. You can change the recent menu. I have changed you can even change the logo on the recent menu. So I haven't changed it. I have kept it stock. You can change the interface, fingerprint settings, blur personalizations, display size, heads up, dashboard, volume panel, sound. You can change your theme. You can choose any color, any accent color you like. There are tons of accent colors here. I have disabled this one because I'm using a pixel launcher, so I want to keep everything stock pixel like. This is the lock screen. uh, you can change your lock UI. You can enable weather info on the lock screen. You can choose any music track and file, etc. This is how my lock screen looks like. Yes, it does have face unlock as well. uh, it's not as quick as Oxygen OS, but yes, it does recognize face and unlocks it automatically. You don't have to touch the screen after face unlocking. That's a good thing. You can change the button settings, hardware layout. So if you want navigation keys, you can enable that as well. You can change the settings on the phone, as in how much time you want to keep these hardware lights on. Like I've kept it only a second. You can disable hardware buttons. You can enable the navigation keys as well. I'll just show you. This is how the navigation keys look like. It works perfectly well. You also get this animation like a pixel. Google Assistant is also working, but you just need to uh, do a few tweaks here and there, and after that it does work. I haven't enabled it yet as of yet. Maybe just another update screwed it. Okay, so this is the animation settings. Screen of animation you can change to default. CRT. CRT is like the television animation. This is how it looks when you turn off the screen. You can change it to scale. It zooms out. I do like CRT. Okay, that's a bug of Pixel Launcher. You can use gesture anywhere feature as well, in which you can just slide this out, draw a gesture, and enable any application. I haven't set it as of yet. You can also use a pie control, uh, which and it gives you much more options, and if you don't want to use navigation bar, or if you want more and more shortcuts. This is a miscellaneous things, where you get more settings. So the good thing is, Resurrection Remix gives you a stock Oxygen OS look. The good thing is, it has three camera options. The first is the pixel camera with HDR mode ported and even the portrait mode in it. So it also has the selfie cam portrait mode. It happens sometimes, but it's working fine. When you click photos, it's perfect, it's fast. Okay, that pixel launcher I need to. This is the Oxygen OS camera pre-installed. It does not have all the features of Oxygen OS which you get for uh, OnePlus devices. But if you want stock Oxygen OS camera with that speed, you can get this. Okay, the flash was on. So this camera is faster than any other camera. And this is the stock camera of Lineage OS, which I don't like at all. Calculator app, everything is there. So you also get OnePlus Gallery installed. You have this gallery. So this is all about Resurrection Remix ROM. So this is the blur effect I was talking about. Uh, the ROM is good except for the battery life. I don't get a good battery life even though I am on the efficiency mode. I can change the profile, battery profile, performance profile, efficiency, balanced, quick, and this is the performance mode if you want to play games or something. So I've kept it on efficiency, but it does not save much battery. You also have the option of extreme power saver. If you want, you can remove the color on the notification panel. You have the option of adaptive brightness. It will adjust your screen accordingly, screen brightness accordingly. Yeah, everything else is the same. I like this ROM a lot because it's fast. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you have anything else, if you want to ask anything else, you can just leave comment right down. Thank you very much.